Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Let's Review Everything. In this video, I'll be reviewing the new Redmi Note 7 Pro. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So out of the box, we have the new Redmi Note 7 Pro, which I have is space black. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the review. So this phone has a 48 megapixel camera, 48 plus 5 MP. Then it has a bezel-less display, and it has many other features which you are about to see in a few minutes. It comes with a silicone cover which is quite flimsy, so I upgraded this cover to a new red color one which is quite sturdy and protects your camera. Overall, this is quite a good phone for this price range. The price of this phone is around 14,000 rupees, Indian rupees. Overall, this phone is very good. The gaming performance in this phone is very good, ultimate, and I would like to say that anyone who is planning to buy a new phone can obviously choose this one. Next, we have here the new case for my phone, which is the best case, one of the best case for the new Redmi Note 7 Pro. We have here a phone holder along with a stand which you can use to watch movies. The cover easily splits apart into two pieces. You can use it with or without the features. The notches are also clearly cut out for this, and hope you guys like the video, and the buttons are also quite sturdy. Hope you guys like the video, and see you guys very soon later in the next video. Bye.